Unit 6, Recording 1. 1.
The Mesopotamians, who lived in modern-day Iraq, Syria and Turkey, were probably the first people to invent writing in about 3200 BC, although it is believed that it was also invented separately in several different places, by the ancient Chinese and then later by the tribes who lived in modern-day Mexico.
2.
By the middle of the 16th century, Arab and European astronomers had discovered a great deal about how our solar system works. However, at this point, Europeans still hadn't travelled to many parts of their own planet. Columbus had only arrived in the Americas in 1492, Australia wasn't discovered by Europeans until the 17th century, and Antarctica wasn't explored until the 18th and 19th centuries.
3.
By the middle of the 19th century, we had made big advances in science and engineering. In 1860, the first combustion engine was invented, which led to the invention of the motor car. However, we still hadn't discovered that bacteria cause diseases and didn't realise that we needed to wash our hands in order to prevent the spread of germs. It wasn't until the work of the Frenchman, Louis Pasteur, was published in the 1860s that this idea was put forward, and even then many scientists initially dismissed his ideas as ridiculous.
4.
Today, at the beginning of the 21st century, we have made the most extraordinary technological advances. We have invented the aeroplane, landed on the moon, invented computers and the World Wide Web, as well as countless other amazing pieces of technology. However, bizarrely, we haven't yet discovered a cure for the common cold. A scientific breakthrough has recently been made at Cambridge University, though, which means that a cure may be found in the next decade or so.
5.
Most experts believe that within 20 years or so we will have sent a manned mission to Mars. The US Senate has recently passed a law allowing this to happen. Doctors also believe that we will have found a cure for many forms of cancer and other diseases by then. However, most experts agree that we probably won't have learnt how to control the weather. We will probably have learnt how to modify it in small ways. Indeed, this has already been done. The Chinese government managed to delay rainfall at the opening ceremony of the Beijing Olympics in 2008 by firing rockets into the sky. But it is extremely unlikely that we will have learnt how to control or prevent extreme weather events like storms or hurricanes. Indeed, many scientists believe that it would be dangerous even to try.